Today we are going to make a purse by A4 size sheet, fevicol, and we need 2 strips of different colors. Okay, we have a sheet, we have to fold it vertically and press it properly by your nail. Now open it and fold by this line and press it well. Now again you have to fold it like this. Now open it, fold it horizontally and press it. Now you have to take 2 fingers and fold it like this from the closed side, not from open side. Okay, fold it from closed side. Now fold a triangle from one side and another side. Press it well, followed by the lines. Now open it. Now see a W here and a W here. Now what to do? You have to fold it like this. Like this. Okay, from here also. See, now paste the fevicol here. And paste it. Press it and fold it like this. Okay, again we have to do this from the another side. Put the fevicol here on the triangle and another triangle. Now you see a box. I have to put some fevicol here. And paste it. Okay. Like this, you have to fix it. Now this side you have to fold like a poly bag. Okay. Neatly you have to fold it like this. Now overlap the first one. Take a sheet, strip, paste it this side and a handle here. This is a purse handle. Okay, now we have to make a fix a strip over here. Now cut it. And put some Fevicol here. And here. And fix it like this. Now this is open. We didn't fix from here. We fix only sides. Now keep this flap in it. Like this. This is your close. Okay. Do one thing more. Fold it from the triangle here and here. And hold it inside like this. Like this. This is a nice shape. Okay. Now keep this side in and decorate the front one. We keep one bow here. Okay. On the strip only. You have to decorate this strip only. Like this. And we have a golden sheet. Golden sheet, take a circle, a small piece of circle, and put it here. Okay. Now this is your purse, a beautiful purse. You keep your clips and your important things and your money in it and enjoy. Okay, let's make it and send the pictures to me. Thank you.